Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today with me I have Shrey Jain from Electronics and Communication branch, and he got placed into SAP, and we will know all the experience that he faced in the interview process. So firstly, hi Shrey, how are you doing?
Hi Shreyas, I am fine. What about you?
Yeah, and I'm also doing fine. Firstly, congratulations that you got placed in such a good company, SAP.
Thank you.
Yeah. So Shrey, in this video, try to break all the process that you just faced in the SAP and guide the viewers how was the interview process and what type of questions can be asked here.
Yeah.
And firstly, first begin with the like what company does and what type of company this is and for which role does it came to our college.
Basically, SAP is a multinational company. It was originated in Germany. It provides a product end-to-end solution.
Okay.
In our college, it came for a CTC of 24.62 LPA.
Okay.
It came for 4 roles: associate developer, DevOps, business analyst, and quant.
Okay.
So it allowed 6 branches: CSI, CC, Electron, EC4 branches, and civil.
Okay.
First round was basically based on two coding questions were asked.
Okay.
Both were of unordered map.
Okay. And was it like online or was it scheduled from the college?
It was online home.
Okay.
We can give test from home.
Okay.
Both the questions were of unordered map. In first question, there were 2 different lists in which we need to create a third list and remove all the duplicate elements from both the lists.
Yeah.
And second question was merging of two linked lists.
Okay. Yeah. Both were pretty standard, right?
Yeah, both were pretty. Everyone got different set of questions.
Okay.
So some people got one was difficult and one was easy for almost all.
Okay, fine. This was about the online assessment. So how many people were actually shortlisted for the first round of the interview process?
After the online assessment was given by 400 people.
Okay.
After that, they shortlisted 15 people on the basis of time limit and CGPA. Like I solved both the questions in 40 minutes.
Okay.
And they also applied CGPA criteria, I think 8
Yeah.
for shortlisting. Then after 5 days, result came.
Okay.
So 16 people were shortlisted, 5 from RVI team and 10 from RVC team.
Okay, like only 2 questions were asked, right? Apart from that, no
only 2
or no SQL, something like that.
No MCQs. Only 2 coding questions.
And total of 1 hour was given, or like you solved
1 hour.
40 minutes, right?
Yeah, 1 hour was given.
Okay. So how many rounds were scheduled in total?
There were 4 interview rounds,
Okay.
2 technical, 1 managerial and 1 HR.
Okay, fine. And begin with the first round. How was it?
Yeah. First round technical, it was all the concepts were covered. Like I mentioned in my resume, OS, operating system, OOPS, SQL, DBMS, networking. So each topic was perfectly covered. First, it started with introduction, then over to my projects. They cross-questioned some of my projects and told to write some code about it.
Okay.
Code snippet, some small snippet.
Okay.
Then he started with creating of 2 tables. Then he asked me 1 puzzle question. 3 ants are sitting in a triangle. What is the probability that 2 ants will collide?
Okay.
Then he came to OOPS. He asks about the inheritance concept to that polymorphism over to the code, compile time and runtime polymorphism. Then from OS he asked me memory management and its type.
Okay.
Then from DBMS he asked about acid properties, normalization, and some basic concepts about networking.
Okay.
Like SDLC software, like this was first round. Now over to second technical round, he told to solve 2 coding questions. One was pen paper based. He told to check that a string is palindrome or not.
Okay.
I wrote a palindrome code. Then he modified the string that a special character can be present in the string, and to remove the special character and check palindrome if it is palindrome or not.
Okay.
Then he second coding question was asked triangle hollow pattern. He told me to write code in GFGID.
Sorry, what was the final question? I didn't tell.
To print hollow triangle.
Okay. Simply like that. Okay.
Yeah, hollow triangle.
Okay, got it.
Write the code and run in the compiler.
Okay.
He provided with his laptop. Then 2 puzzles. 3 switches are outside the gate and 1 lamp is inside the gate.
Yeah.
How you will identify which switch will turn off the light?
Yeah.
So one more puzzle was 5-liter jar is there and 3-liter jar is there. How we will measure 4-liter jar from that? Some common puzzles.
Yeah, puzzles are standard only, right? All puzzles.
Yeah, standard puzzles. And some networking questions.
Okay.
That's it. My main focus was on
Okay, fine. This was your first round only, right? Up to first.
first and second.
First and
Both technical round.
second round. Second round was from coding, right? Beginning from the code.
Yeah, coding. Mostly second round was coding.
Okay.
First round, all basic concepts from resume and project.
And like, what was the filtering process? Like, how many people went through the...
My process started at 11.
Okay.
Until then, almost 10 people went. Out of that, 2 shortlisted before me.
Okay.
I was the third one. And total from 15 people, 6 people were shortlisted from first round. I got my call after 10 minutes only. My first round went well. So second round started. 6 people after that, 3 people more were called.
Okay.
So totally 6 people went from both technical and to final HR, and finally 6 people were shortlisted out of that.
Okay, fine. And tell about your...
My managerial.
Yeah, tell them.
My managerial round took about 10 minutes. He asked common questions like, what is your aim in life?
Yeah.
Strength and weakness. How would you overcome your weakness? Who is your role model and why? Why do you want to join company?
Okay.
And one most basic question, what is your dream company?
Yeah.
And that question I answered Google.
Okay.
So I was
Reaction.
his reaction. After 5 minutes only, I called HR. I got the call from HR.
Okay.
I was shortlisted for next round. So mostly he was expecting the truth. Everyone knows that dream company in Google. So he was expecting the truth.
Yeah. Instead of playing here smartly by telling SAP something like that, it will be like very rubbish kind of thing.
Yeah.
Everyone want is very important. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what
Then 5 minutes after that, HR call came. Then he wanted to know my hobby apart from studies and what all things are mentioned in resume. What all things are mentioned like that. Then extra strength and weakness. How would you overcome your weakness? Similar to HR. Then office location. Do you have any preference?
Okay.
Where do you want? Are you ready for full-time process?
Okay.
And how was the interview process today? Was it partiality for any candidate?
Yeah.
So this all basic.
And where is office situated?
Office is in Whitefield, Bangalore.
Okay.
Everyone, 6 people were hired out of 15. Those who cleared first round.
All of them.
Everyone got the... Yeah, all of them were selected.
Nice.
Everyone got the role of associate developer.
Okay. As we all know, Shrey is from Electronics and Communication branch. We were both studying for 1 year. Beginning, I was also in Electronics and Communication branch. After that, I got shifted into Computer Science. So it is very important here to know how did Shrey manage to placed in such a good software company being in EC, and how did he manage to read all the subjects. Shrey, from your side, you need to tell like how did you manage? Like it's very difficult to like complete the EC syllabus itself. Apart from that, you were able to like read all the subjects such as OOPS, DBMS, and also maybe I've done software engineering subject that also, right? Yeah. SDLC and all you were mentioning.
Yeah. Basically, every day apart from my electronics and core subject, I practice almost 1 hour of coding. I started with CodeChef platform, then came over to lead code, common interview questions. I started from second year onwards. First year was understanding the college and its behavior and subjects, which all things. So I started from second year coding, and coming over to before my internship, I started with my core subject like CS fundamentals, OS, OOP, DBMS, networking, and then only I also started with web development course of Angela U. From there I learned web development. So apart from my studies, every day I manage 1 hour at least.
Okay. How hard it was like to manage, like to take out.
Like I was more enthusiastic towards CS related subject. So every day it was not that tough.
Okay.
If you have the capability, you can manage.
Yeah. And like, were you determined from the beginning to get placed in software companies, or like were you planning for other core companies also?
No, I was determined from the beginning. I saw my interest in CS related subjects more than code related subjects. So I was determined to actually.
Okay, fine. So Shrey, one tip for all the people, those who are watching out there, especially for the juniors that are in other branches such as EC, Civil and are planning to get placed in good software companies?
I would suggest that first know your domain, in which domain you want to work upon, and keep on hustling. Try your best. 100%, give your 100%. Interview process is basically 50% your luck and 50% your skills. So there we can't predict what will happen on next. Begin every company with a new start and keep on working. Finally, you will get succeed.
Yeah, so it's our job to like at least get prepared, and we have to give our 100% input and output completely based on our performance and also our luck.
Luck factor plays important.
Yeah, very crucial
in on-campus placement.
Yeah. And how was this possible that SAP selected the EC candidates? Were they looking for particularly CS candidates, or they were not looking branch at all? Were there any kind of you can understand this question?
Basically, I started with a Soroco company. In that first round I cleared. It was coding, online coding round. That it was easy. I was able to solve. 3 people were shortlisted. Then second round, 2 CS people were along with me.
Okay.
So their branch priority happened. So CS people were given the priority and they were shortlisted. From that learning, I overcome my fears. One other thing I lacked. So I started studying the CS fundamentals more depth. So, and for first 4 to 5 companies, they were hiring only CS and ISC related people. So TAP, finally, there were only 3 shortlists out of 15 for DSC and 4 shortlists out of 15 for EC people.
Okay.
So EC people perform better than CSC. So they hired EC people.
Okay. Like, how did you maintain your academics, and what CGPA or the score is sufficient to get like opportunities from all the companies?
If you are interested towards a software role, maintaining a 8+ CGPA is sufficient. You don't need to score higher than 9+. 9+ if you want, if you are more enthusiastic towards a coordinated subject, so 9+ is definitely required from you. In most of the companies for software role allowed 8+, and if you have 7.5 CGPA, almost 90%, you will be allowed to sit in a campus placement. So 7.5 is decent and 8+ is perfect for you to sit on campus.
So on the safer side, if we maintain 8+ and like we can skip EC subjects, like not going in depth and just giving the tests for that sake only. If we read only, it's sufficient, and so we can directly concentrate on this part of
but know your interest in which domain you want to work on. According to that, for coordinated 9+ is required, and for software 8+ is decent.
And like, what is the numbers, like how many EC people are placed, like in total, if you have any idea, like roughly?
Like now 66 people are placed. Out of the 20 are software and 46 are hardware based people.
Okay.
Only 20 people got software opportunity yet.
Yeah, in CS also, according to me, like 120 or 125, something like that. The number is around that. I don't remember properly. Yeah.
Like software roles, CS people get more priority, and in hardware only 3 people get more priority in electronics.
Yeah, nice. So once again, congratulations to Shrey, and thank you for joining. This will be my 4th podcast. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, it is a 4th podcast. And congratulations for your next journey. And what are your future plans? Like, what do you want to do in the future?
Thinking of pursuing MBA from IIM.
Okay. Yeah.
So now I will switch upon that.
Okay, fine. And thanks for joining once again.
Thank you. Guys, click like, share and subscribe the channel.
So guys, as Shrey told, please don't forget to like this video and share with all the juniors, especially who are in other branches and want to get placed in good software companies. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to ask any type of questions, please drop the comments out. And if there are any personal questions, please don't forget to go to his Instagram or my Instagram, and we will try to answer all the questions. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Shrey.